嘟姐，你知唔知農夫佢哋咧去英國讀書啊？
我知，我都覺得奇怪㗎啦，點解佢兩隻嘢有得去嘅？
其實咧，我哋咧有個鬼主意，就係諗住咧揾你過去咧，俾啲驚喜佢兩個，睇住佢兩個畢業。
即係你要我飛咁遠，去到英國，然之後坐4個鐘頭車入去睇下佢哋個畢業禮啊！喂，畢到業咧，咁啊梗係好啦，應該表揚添。一陣萬一畢唔到咁點啊？啊唔係喎，畢唔到咁我咪去 shopping 咯，嗬？好啊，我應承你。
做咩咁氣焰啊？
講啦嘛，你唔係去玩嘢咩？而家
我而家就準備去玩一個英國傳統嗰啲高尚學府啊先可以玩嘅運動啊。
係啊，呢個運動叫 Fives， 但係好耐之前咧，有一個學生咧悶悶地自己創出嚟嘅，一直咧就流傳到而家。Hello, Mr. Wee.
Okay, so guys, this is Claire. She and I are going to teach you how to play the ancient sport of fives.
好嘢，唔使我係自己講，想學啊
Okay, fives. All right, so just like squash, yeah, but you play it with.
即係壁球咁啫嘛，其實只不過就用手打，
冇咗個球拍就解啦。
有咩難度啫？嚟啦！
Fives is a very, very important game in the English public school system, and the boys would entertain themselves just with gloves and a ball up against the sides of the buildings. So fives started at Eton College, where the boys just took a ball and gloves and just played this game up against the wall of the chapel.
On you 啊！
It's yours, Quan.
咁難嘅原來。隻手玩完之後咧，就勸大家唔好拎去睇獎啦，你會腫到可能唔見咗啲紋嘅咁樣。我都腫咗少少啊隻手而家。
In fives, you throw up and then you serve it.
哦，
Good, okay?
手夠長
We're off.，
手夠大，我覺得已經係足夠贏晒 Fives 㗎啦。
哇！咁難嘅原來。
Totally rubbish.
Totally
Totally rubbish.
Totally rubbish. No potential at all.
Good, good, good. Wing!
哇
Oh my god!
Totally rubbish. Trash.
我冇諗過你會開到波，
Why you
我喺嗰
can't in the world?
邊食緊杯麵，
Why you
都諗唔到。
What in the world? Hey, shame on
你
you.
咪開波開30幾秒都未開到，黐線。阿 Sir，
OK.
He's good.
get ready。
Get
聽唔
ready 啦
聽唔聽到副校講咩
快啲啊
？He's good。唔好
Good 係渣嘅喺英國係，起碼要講 great 同埋 brilliant。
你睇下聽唔聽到讚你 great 或者
快啲啦！
Good serve.
Good serve. 哦
Oh, good serve.
yeah！哎呀，唔係隊友都忍唔住要讚啊！哇，唔係隊，I have potential.
Okay.
I have potential.
Huge potential.
Huge！哇
You could be huge.
睇到呢個係睇啊！
哇！自己試下先啦，係。哇！
喂，仲有啊？
有咩啊？有。
仲有啊？邊度啊？
佢每一次都係自己接完個波咧，就即係好似收工咁啊！哦，收工啦，唔喐啦，企喺度。咁啊，成日 block 住晒我可以接波嗰個位咯。You block my way！
I block your way， 你嗰度有冇人啊？哇！你自己你時運好低下喎，咁樣係咯。
對唔住啦，對唔住。
下跪都冇用啊！嚟，
咁我問啊 Mr. Reed， 咁點解決？佢話呢個係一個紳士嘅遊戲嚟嘅，你盡量自己唔好阻到人。如果人哋阻到你啊，唔該，即係可唔可以讓一讓咁？咁你點同師君玩啫？呢遊戲紳士嘅遊戲啊，冇得玩。今日上 DT 啊，即係Design and Technology。
Make the mold, and then we can be pouring the mold and metal on.
今堂係學整一個英國地圖咁嘅形狀嘅鎖匙扣，就要用啲木咧嚟做個帽，然之後就倒啲鋁啊落去咁樣整嘅。
Design technology is essentially a practical subject where students research, design, make, and evaluate products. Designing and making things, using tools, using machines, building up skills and confidence for the future. it's going in the wrong direction, just stop, go backwards, and then just go forwards again. 教我哋點樣 cut 嗰個木咧，即係嗰把鋸咧，我從來冇用過噶嘛，所以一開始都要捉摸下到底佢邊先至係鋸到咧，點樣可以鋸到佢轉彎呢啲形狀咁咯。
整呢個模板之前咧，就再練習下先。睇佢講又唔係好難。咁都好似 OK 啦。我做唔到嗰種，喂，
哦，耶！可以翻轉頭啊，原來
我有翻轉頭啊，翻到，哇！哇，做得好差啊練習，因為我太大意，咁我又做到好魯莽，好快咁鋸到錯晒。
算幾好啦，第一次整，
算幾差啦！阿 Sir 直情走過嚟同我講，佢話：如果我啲線係跟你界咁畫咧，你就整得好好㗎。可惜係咁樣喎，咁樣
幾有
勁
勁。但係呢個活動我自己好中意嘅，即係我覺得好好玩啊！成個課堂，跟住我又見到啲同學仔整佢哋啲作品，好勁啊！
我老師教咗我哋一招喎，原來一路整咧，一路吹啊，吹翻走嗰啲木啊，咁就唔會阻住咗啲線啊，搞到你睇唔到啲嘢咁喎。
Okay, everyone, fantastic. You've done really well today. That's the bell. It's time to stop. Let's turn your machines off.
佢教我哋要倒轉行翻咧，咁樣攞翻，攞翻佢出嚟。哇！我呢個倒唔到嘅。
倒轉攞得翻出嚟，算係咁啦。又老師可以俾多1個鐘我咧，我應該可以雕到嗰個帽出嚟㗎啦。You guys finish? Yeah. 咁樣啊，大家一齊起步啫。睇下我。咁啊，呢個就係我哋實力嘅差距啊。Yeah, very good。
哇！真係好多水上活動嘅，
係啊，
好啱你嘅。
梗係啦，梗係啦。
我哋係跳完湖啦，
係
跟住玩翻啲輕強啲嘅，揚帆出海。
Have you guys done any sailing before? No, of course not. No worries. Perfect. So these guys have done some sailing before.
其實我好驚水嘅，佢開頭仲同我講話呢個係海嚟嘅，會跌落海，我即刻諗住哇，都係唔好玩啊咁樣。咁啊，唉，後來冇辦法啦。最緊要個節目好睇，呢啲先，咁樣先至叫做 professional 啊嘛。
知唔知想踢船啊？
似喎，
戴頭盔添喎要。跳湖你都未戴頭盔喎，呢個係要戴埋頭盔。
我已經唔係話想威嗰啲人嚟啦。呢個頭盔我做咩？
The physical aspect of sailing is really good. We managed to use all the muscle groups of the body. It's really good for flexibility in the boat as well. You work a lot on communication. And there's also quite a lot of benefits. You can go off and do it racing. You can go off to national level. You can go international.
哇！呢個架咁重嘅原來。
Do you want to come and keep up?
喺網上面老師咧就教我哋點樣 set up 好嗰隻船啦，點樣整起個帆啦。咁啊遇到反船嘅時候應該有啲咩反應咧咁。咁我最唔想聽嗰 part 就係嗰度啦。哦，即係隻船都反咗啦，你仲要自己搞翻起隻船？
梗係唔得啦，唔通救你啊？
唔係咯，隻船啦，
救隻船啦！如果你要計香港咧，首先好多家長就係咪危險㗎？咁你要話邊幸福啲咧，我又計唔到。即係如果你生個仔係師君咁嘅，佢梗係唔想玩啦，佢咪好唔幸福咯。如果佢生活喺度，所以兩睇啦。
點寫意啊咁？唔係喎，OK 喎。你梗係啦，幾好喎你睇，掂唔到你個頭，幾好喎，生得矮有呢個着數啊！
但係一開始就真係怪錯咗佢哋嘅。原來呢啲咁好嘅天氣咧，係真係唔適合玩帆船嘅，因為完全冇風啦，亦都唔夠浪啦。咁有時你係想隻船喐咧，佢都喐唔到啊，因為你真係冇風啊。
嗱，而家咧同學仔就表演咧反船嘅求生。喂，嗱，反咗船啦，咁點咧？點樣自救又救翻船咧？你睇到佢自救完全救到㗎啦，不過點樣去救得翻隻船咧？
我覺得最精彩係真係佢哋表演反艇點樣求生嘅。咁有一個就表演咗一個落水板啦。
就係靠頭先喺
船中間嗰嚿咩鐵咁嘅嘢咧。哇！咁啊爬翻上去。哇！咁但係另一個咧，我冇得直接同你講解嘅就係、其實表演一個唔濕身都可以救翻架艇嘅方法，嗰、個我覺得真係好精彩。
我見到佢哋示範咗反艇，又整翻起隻船，又爬翻上去之後，我就深深感受到我係冇可能做到嘅，即係係啊，所以我覺得好彩冇事啫，都係。
喂，試一嘢啦喂！
一嘢點夠啊？
呢啲梗係試10幾嘢啦！